Hmm? I'm doing a video. I'm doing a video. Say something. Say something. But that's dangerous, you know that. We don't use swords. That's a weapon.
A weapon? I want to get another weapon.
No, good people don't need weapons. Only bad people need weapons.
I want to be like that, but I'm already like that. I'm already like that, Daddy.
What do you mean you're already like that?
I'll sit here. I'll sit right here.
You can sit.
But how is this so? It's real, Daddy.
Hmm?
It's real, Daddy.
It's real? It's a real statue.
Yes. How about that helps me? Give me a new idea.
Are you climbing on the statue?
No, I'm just climbing here.
Well, climbing is always dangerous. What's that?
This might be scary.
It might be scary.
Yes.
That's all you wanted, wasn't it? Sit in his lap. That is cute.
I didn't take my backpack. That's it.
You want to-
Can't say I can fit. Take it off.
Take it off. Then he's going back. Yeah, he has a mustache, a big one.
I would give a big mustache.
You want a mustache? Huh? You want a mustache?
I don't got a mustache.
Do you want one?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Where we get a mustache from?
You gotta, when you grow up.
Where you get a mustache? Tell me, Dad.
Where?
Yes,
It just
where?
grows. Like how the hair on your head grows, mustache grows.
This?
And the goatee. You want a goatee too?
Uh-huh. Like you.
Yeah, but I cut mine.
And what else you have, Dad?
That's it. Mustache and a goatee.
Goatee?
Goatee.
Where's the picture coming?
What picture?
Your picture. You got it here.
You're doing a lot of climbing, danger boy.
I got knock his hair.
Mm-hmm. That's like iron or something.
Look, Dad. I can
What?
scratch him.
You're scratching. I don't think he feels it.
I'm scratching. But while I'm scratching him, don't scare the bird. Come on, come on, come on in my finger.
I know, right? That would be ideal. Yeah, these birds, they're not that trusting.
Come on, little bird.
Yeah, the noise scares him. Look.
Come on, little bird.
Shh. Look. See, I'm doing a video. And look, I got the bird on the video. He's not moving, is he?
So he just waiting for his mom?
He's waiting for his mom?
Yes.
And who are you waiting for?
For the picture.
You wait. No, this is a video. This is not picture.
I want to take a picture, Dad.
But this is the video.
First, I want to take a picture.
Okay, chick. I took a picture.
That's the real chick. Is it real?
Look, he's moving now.
I wish he's gonna come to his mom. But that's a big mom.
That's a big mom?
That's a daddy.
That's the dad. Okay.
But I'm getting off.
So, you know that you're gonna get older and grow bigger, right?
Like
You're already
bird.
big. Yes. Like
that
the bird. You're already big, but you're gonna get bigger and bigger. And you're gonna grow taller and taller. Are you terrorizing him? I can see your undies. Look at me. Cheese. What? Okay. See, he saw that. You're scaring him.
Oh, he saw the tree.
Biggs, he's smarter than you think.
I put it up.
Put it up.
I did hit the bird.
You gonna drink some? Let's see you drink some water on the video. Drink some water on the video.
Hello, bird. Want to see some water?
No, he's not gonna drink your water.
Why?
He's getting close, isn't he?
He got too much close. No, he's not getting close. It's coming down.
Yeah, now it's 2 and 3. I think they like us.
They're friends, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look, the mommy has some baby birds.
The mommy has baby birds,
Yes, that was a big one.
but they're getting pretty big for babies, aren't they?
They're growing.
They're growing, like you.
Yes. Because I ate all my food.
Because you eat your food. Yeah, you're gonna go to Vilma's house today.
No, I don't want to.
Yeah, Mommy's gonna pick you up soon.
No.
You wanna say?
It's very bad.
No, you like it.
Very, very bad.
You wanna say hi to someone?
No.
Look, you're on the video. Look at me.
Take a bird
Turn around.
or a mouse
You see the traffic?
or a chicken or a cow.
He left, didn't he? Daddy, can you talk to the camera? Come here. Come here. Come here. Can you talk to the camera? Talk about your new school. What's the name of your new school? Hey, get your backpack and bring it. Being lazy, I'm supposed to be following him with the camera. Come here. Tell me about your new school. Stop right there. Stop right there. Stop. Okay, just laugh for the camera. Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. Stop moving. Hey. Biggs, I'm taping. Stop.
Do it again.
Stop.
No.
Stop, 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 stop.
No. Not that one.
Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop, stop, stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop right there, stop right there. For real, stop. Biggs, hold up. Were you a good boy today? Were you a good boy today?
No.
Come here, were you a good boy today?
No.
You got stuff in there, you know. Come here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Talk to me. What did you do today?
I tried big.
What did you... Come here. What did you do today? Trying to get him to engage this camera. There, what did you do today? Look. Okay, this helps. What did you do today? Show me your sticker. Show the camera the sticker.
I can't move.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the video. Please talk. Come here. You're gonna thank me. Ouch. Okay. Okay. You hurt yourself. What did you do today? Hello. Hello. Little boy. Little boy.